Okay, so I'm going to talk about weld symbols. So basically we're going to start at the top. This is a square groove right here. And imagine this as your reference line on the blueprint symbol, okay? So this is your reference line, and if you see two lines coming up like that, that means a square groove. This means to scarf. That's it's an oxyacetylene torch type process. Okay? This is your V groove. This is your bevel, single bevel. The single bevel. This is a single U. This is a single J. Okay? This is a flare V right here. This is a flare bevel. This is a fillet weld. You're going to see this one a lot. So you want to know that one. That's a fillet weld. This is your plug and slot weld right here. This is known as a stud weld. That's just a circle with an X in it. Okay? Now this one is a seam weld. This one right here is a it's a back weld. So you would, like when you're building pressure vessels, you crawl inside and you back weld it. Probably air arc it first, clean it out, and then go back and back weld it. This is a surfacing weld. So like if you're working on mining equipment or something like that, and they want you to use hard surface, and they give you a blueprint on how they want you to do it, this is probably what you're going to see right here. This is your edge weld. Okay? So now we're going to talk about some other things. Pretend this is your reference line, just like these ones up here. This is your arrow. So when you've got a circle, it means weld all around. Okay? That means weld the object on all joints, on all sides. This is your field weld right here. That means you're going to weld it out in the field or wherever you're going to put it together at. This is your melt through symbol. It looks a lot like the back weld right here, but it's a melt through. Okay? So now we're going to talk about contours. So if you've just got a straight line there, it means flat. Okay? Now if it's, like that means convex. It needs to have a convex finish. Now if it's the other way, like if it's going down, that means you need to have a concave finish. Alright? So we'll go back through this again just so you understand it. This is a square groove. This is scarfing. This is a single V. This is a single bevel. This is a single U. This is a single J. This is a flare V, flare bevel, a fillet weld, a plug and slot, a stud weld. This is a seam, and this is a back weld. This is a surfacing weld, and this is an edge weld. Alright? Now, we're going to talk about one other thing. It's known as a spot or projection weld. Alright? And basically, this just means other side, both sides, or arrow side. Okay? And same thing goes for all of these. If it's on this side, that's the arrow side. If it's on this side, it's the other side. If it's, in the middle, it means both sides. Okay? This is your weld all around. Your field weld right here your melt through right here, flat contour finish, convex contour finish, and concave contour finish. Okay? So hopefully this helps you out. Alright.